morning. Aray. Drop, drop, dun, dun, dun. Jim and Vlogs. Hi, Jim and Vlogs. Darna, thank you for the thumbs up. Drop, drop, down, down, down. Strap that. Oh, somewhere in your heart. Who are you looking for? Looking for? Oh my god. I'm looking for a dirty outside. I think if I clean the no. My goodness.
This might just be the most powerful water gun you've ever seen. Firefighters in Russia use this impulse firefighting gun that blasts out water mist in powerful bursts. It uses compressed air to shoot it over 2 meters.
Mamma mia. Here I go again. My mind.
Might just be the most powerful water gun you've ever seen. Firefighters in Russia use this impulse firefighting gun that blasts out water mist in powerful bursts.
Somebody. Gerald Flaving. You have a great tea from Ireland. Hi, Sir Gerald Flaming. Thank you for joining here. My live. Thank you for watching, Sir Gerald from Ireland. Nice to meet you, Sir Gerald Flaming. Aray ko. Oh. Thank you for thank you for aray. Good thumbs up. Hi Rodrigo. Good morning. Good night to you there. Good evening, Rodrigo there. Morning here in the Philippines. You want massage? Yes, I want massage. I feel pain here. I don't know what happened. I don't know why I feel. Ah, suddenly it hurts. Tip like okay, easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you. Wait lang. Sakit kasi. Pwede, pasuyo man. Good morning, everybody. Hi, sis. Morning. Aray ko. That there was. Morning, sis. Salad vlog. That there was. Manny Fernandez. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Manny. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning, Salve. Rodrigo, Salve Vlog, she's my sister. Kumusta ka na? Okay lang po, Manny Fernandez. I'm okay. How about you? Kumusta ka din, Manny? How are you there? I'm fine. My sister, maybe she's fine too. I'm fine. How about you, Rodrigo? How are you there? In Brazil? So good. Good. That's good. That's great. Seven. 7:51 p.m. there. 8. Wait. 7:51. Very night. Night very cold. Very cold there now. So too cold. So cold. My mind. Thank you for the 4 million in the house. Salamat sa nagtamsak. Thank you. Hey, Gab. Gab. Na kita. Eyes win. Ice wind. Too cold. God, I can't live with ice wind. Ah! Winter there now. Winter. My coffee. Not yet coffee. Just wake up. Even the hair not yet combed. Messy hair, messy. Very hot there, yes. Good weather here, always. Hot, rainy days, hot, sunny days. Two weather. Sometimes storm. Ano, it's having a stormy day. I love your hair fragrant. Hmm. Hmm. My shampoo. You all. You all. Lol. You all lol. I found the love for you. This time just dive in. Ano na, Gab? Dito ho, sa irarong sa nan. Dito ho sa ano. Bye-bye. God bless your day. Bye-bye, Rodrigo. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well. Don't forget. Like, yung darabo entero. Ikaw, anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? What do you want? What do you want? Me? You come. No. I'm asking Gab. Surgery. It's okay, it's fine. Brazil is very from here in the Philippines. Maybe not possible to come there. Not possible. Very far. And no budget for the flight travel like that. Expensive. But I wanted. You wanted. Bye, my flowers, Philippines. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining here. Thank you for always joining my live. See you tonight again. Tonight here, night here. I love Filipinos hug of Brazil. Thank you, Rodrigo. From Philippines to Brazil. Thank you.
Mama, hindi dua.
Na rin.
Baka wait lang. Kita niyo yung
Nana ba?
sito ka.
Bada. Hey, Gabriel. Oh, Gab! Oh, atok ako. Sakit talaga. Nakulag. Apa mo kulubon doon, Leo? Wow! Ayun. Kata nagab. Kay maki ayaw kang papay sa lumpas. Kulog talaga na. Medyo coffee na. My God, kulang lang ata ito sa kape. Gabriel! Oh my God. What happening in the house? Oh, maligaw man. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Hello. Stop, drop, drop, drop. Maligaw man at maligaw. I to go bananas. Rodrigo. 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 Forever young, I wanna be forever chat, it's time to hit the like button or double tap your phone screen. Hit the bell to get notified about the next stream. You need to subscribe first. Oh my god, thank you, I to go bananas. Okay, quickly. It's okay, it's fine. Isas, ikaw ang nakaon. Paulit-ulit ka. Thank you, I to go. I to go bananas. Wait lang.
Ikaw na lang.
Makakaluta. Ah. Hi.
Walang ko. Ito nito.
Nakakaluto. Tapos na yan, tita? Tapos na yan. Hi. Ma? Ma? Ako na, ano. Tama ko naman sa iyo. Sobrang ano. Literal na literal lang.
Ini yang beriak lah. Oh.
Wala nga naghuhugas sa iyo, ha? Hello, beautiful. Daniel, say hello, Sir Daniel. How are you, Sir Daniel? Clean the home. for the sunset. Thank you for the happiness and faithfulness.
Ate Shep, may mga hangat ka.
Ayan, ano yan, dito, ano na.
Asa imo yun? Ako na nakuha.
Tapos na. I'm done na, I'm done.
mga puti? Ay, hindi rin eh.
Oo, sa ako yun.
Ay, mga puti ka lang yung tayo. Gulang mo na yung daig. Bibili ko si Kuya Gab. Ay, luto ang pamakay ko. Ay, nga, ah. Thank you for the contact. Too slow. Too slow. Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Hamsak. Ay, kagayon. Ni Kuya Gab. Tapi si Kuya Happy Tutan. Too slow. It's okay. I get coffee. Wait. Wait. Ma, ay si Pay. Pero uniform man lang ada ito. Kuya, gating ko ini. Butang gigi lang ako yan. Sabi mo sa mama.
Masyadong malaki, Jake. Ganda yata. Sa itaas natin matignan. Ito, meron ako scaffolding. Good. Ayos ka pala. Pitat eh. Isinip. Pwede natin ito. Yan. Nakakit tayo sa taas. Kaya ito. Uy. Tignan nyo. Ako, parang may kawi siya karawag ah. Ating siya kawi. Tignan nyo. Daming dugo. Patay na yata yan. Parang kilala ko yan ah. Ha? Ano yan?
Gab, may ano pa dito? May kape pa? Ay, amang kape dito tabi. Salamat. Ay, ayun pa. Thank you, Kuya Gab.
Parang gusto ko na umalis dito ah. Natakot ako. Mabuhay ito mamayang gabi.
Thank you, 6 people in the house. Salamat.
Yung bahay natin. Sigurado. Bawang sa amin yung bahay natin. Tara, habitat. TV.
Manang pamahaw mo, men.
Ayun,
Thank you. Ha?
mahal.
Ano?
Ah,
O,
talbang
kamahaw ng tao niya. Kuha ka na dito sa ano mo. Paano ka maligat?
Good. Ayos. Tara. Tingnan natin. Tok, 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 tok. Ayun. Creative na ako. Yes. Tara, tara. Tingnan natin. Buhay na tayo dito. Baka mabuhay na si
Coffee. Sa umaga.
yan. Tapos, lalagyan natin ito ng lava mamaya. Ayan po.
Thank you for the 5 people in the house. Salamat po. Thank you, 6 million. 10 million for the likes. Thumbs up. Thank you. Wala yung
Magkano yan? Teka, nag-video.
nag I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on a day I leave. Put it down to your knees. Some misery love's company. But you really like you if I know that you want me too slow. Thank you for the 6 million in the house. Salamat. I know that you want me. Wish me met on a day I believe. I brought you down to your knees. Thank you for the 7 million in the house. Shout out to you. Don't hesitate to comment. What are you thinking for? What are you doing? What is your name? Where are you from? Taga saan? May ginagawa? Oh, wala. Kapi-kapi. Kapi sa umaga. Mga kapi pa mamaya.
Sige lang ang kape.
Puro kape, wala pagkaon. Kapi-kapi lang. Naka-survive man. Survive sa kape. Nagugutom ako. May tinapay dito, men. Karatita mo nini. Nakakagawa ko tinapay. Wait, don't go away, guys. I will be back. I just buy a coffee. I just buy a bread. I feel hungry. Bye-bye, wait. Stop. Stop. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Let's go! Bilis! Dito na yung base natin! Ayan! Teka, ano nangyayari? Hindi ko pala ito base. Umit, sa kabila pala! Hello guys, Ketak nga pala. Balik ngayon, may maglalaro tayo ng style brain root. So dito, may mga iba't ibang klaseng brain root na lumalabas. Tapos, ilalagay natin sila dito sa base natin. So hindi lang ganun kadali yan guys. Kasi nakita niyo mga batang yan. Sila yung mga kukuha. O sa mga nakukuha natin brain root. Try ko! Di ba ako tapos mag-intro eh. Okay guys, sino kaya magandang brain root na mabili dito? 100 lang pala yung pera ko eh. Ito. Si Nabitak. Uy Nabitak, sumama ka sa akin. Ito tayo. O babantayan kita pag kami kukuha sa'yo eh. Yan, pasok. Alright. Meron na tayo isang brain root. At siya si Nabitak Pizzanini. Akala ko Nabitak Pizzanini. Ano ito ah? Lalabang kayo sa akin. Uy, si Buneka pala ako. Kaso wala pa tayong pera. Wow, si Tugtugtug sa ho. Ito sa akin. Oh, 3,000 pala siya. So dito, pwede rin natin ilak yung kwarto natin. Para walang makakuha ng mga brain root natin. Okay, tayo naman mamuhay ng brain root. Pero pwede tayo na walang harap. Nagpit ng isang tuwa.
Okay, I go son. Okay, where are you going?
Wala siya. Try natin
Hi, Golden. Night there. Are you going to the bar?
magpapay na tuwa. Grabe na 2 seconds lang guys. Let's go! Tulungan natin yan.
Going to, yes. To going.
Dito guys. Koreano ng mga player eh. Wow, tignan nyo yan guys. Great rap gun.
Hi, Golden. How are you? Welcome back.
Siya ni Bacon
Thank you for the thumbs up. Guys, paano ma? Paluway ma. No, it's fine. This is, I need watch shower. I like that blue. Thank you, Golden. Mm, 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 mm.
Tanda ko ba yun eh? Uy, nagka-baby.
Ballerina cappuccino.
Kilala mo ito?
Hindi ko kilala. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, Golden. What are you doing? Thank you for the 8 million in the house. Salamat. Thank you. Filipina in the house. You're always up this early. You must go to bed early. You must go. Morning here. Not early. 8:34 in the morning here in the Philippines. Do you like movies? Yeah, I like movies. Ballerina cappuccino. This way. Thank you for the 5 million in the house.
Sa bawat tasa, tulong sa pagbangon na nagkakaping Pilipino. Hi, sa 6. Sa 6 million in the house. Kumusta? Drama. Oo, sus talaga. Ano yung kay ano, ay sus, Yeah, I like movies. Loro. Naguro lain tas binayan mo irog sada. Ayos ang paggagamit, tama na yan. Bere, Eronson. Jadi ang gamita ha. Butang mo sa basurahan. Butang mo sa plastic. Dapat pag ano yan ha. Pwede mabayaan lang. Ito. Yan. Diri. Ano mo yan ha? Oo, yan. Anuhan mo, isarumsum mo, isarumsum mo. Sige pa, ito mo yun pa eh. Saka mo punasan sa trapo. Thank you for the 12 people in the house. Ay, Gab, kuhaan mo ko na yan to. Ay, Gab, kuhaan mo ko na ito. One hour, yes. One more hours. Achieve. I have no work today. It's fine. Live. Today is the live day. I do live all day. Oh my God. Maligaw na. Maligaw na. Nawala. Umikot na. Thank you for the 12 people. Thank you for the tamsak. Sa nagtatamsak, salamat. Achieve na achieve yung 1 hour more. 1 more hour. Thank you for the 13 people in the house. Salamat. Mainit. So, mainit. Mas nakasarado pa. Oh, how
Wala na wala nang nagko-comment. Or baka may ala. You are so beautiful. Hi, swag boy. Swaggy boy. Oh, ang dami na palang nag-comment. Di ko nabasa. Sorry. Hi, kumusta? Dodong Gaming. Hi, Dodong. Ako pala yung nakakulitan mo dati nung gabi kasama mo, pinsan mo ata yun. Ah, okay. Naalala ko na ikaw. Dodong. Welcome back, Dodong.
Mama. Oh.
Ha?
Oh.
Nakakaon ka pala. Kumusta, Dodong? Pinsan ko yun. Snack? Almusal. Hi, Faro, Amak. Hindi pa rin kumukupas. Maganda pa rin. Salamat, salamat. Anak mo yung nasa labas. Hindi. Nandito yung anak ko sa loob. Dodong English. Mabalik si Dodong. Nice, boys. Guys, if you're lurking, hit the like button. You are so beautiful. Swaggy boy, thank you, Swaggy boy. Do you have Instagram? Yeah, I have Instagram, but I'm not there because no, my phone full storage. That's why. Full storage my phone. I have Instagram, but I'm not there. Where are you from, Swaggy boy? Ah, okay. Kumusta na? Dodong? How are you, Dodong? Dodong? Nasaan ka ngayon, Dodong? Then, how you are streaming? My phone is, the YouTube is already on the phone. Because, my phone full storage because for my job, the lots of data for my job. Can't delete the data, like pictures need to for documentation, no need to delete. That's why I need 2 new phone. Ito, I miss you. Wow, sana all. Ba't matagal ka na wala? Ba't ngayon ka lang dumating, Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating, Dodong? Where are you from, Swaggy boy? Before, I have Instagram before, but busy sa buhay. Ako nga din, busy din sa buhay. Dami kong pinagkakabalahan. I am from Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka. Nice to meet you, Swaggy boy from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. You're so pretty as you are. Thank you, Dodong. Salamat, Dodong. Salamat sa nagtamsak. Salamat. Thank you so much. Wow, makulig talaga. Ang sakit ng
Mama,
ano ko.
mag-diet kaya.
Mag-diet? Kay, mataba na ako. Mataba na ako? Oh my God. My son said I'm fat. I I need to diet. Wow, mataba na ako. Are you married? Not yet married, but soon I will be married.
Mag-gym ka lang.
I'm getting married soon, ha? Mag-gym na lang ako. Para may muscle, ha?
Kasi, wala. Aram mo tayo ang pang-gyman. Hindi para.
Mag-jogging na lang. Jogging, push up.
Para deliver bake.
Wala na dito
Karatit ng Layla. Ano na sa mga.
sa gym, may meron sa
Nagkano pa ito. Ay, ito lang
Walang gym.
pang-jogging, ma.
Oy, ang ano mo, may lumagay. Dali, dali. Oy. Nano? Dali mo. Try. Pera, pera. Salamat po. What is your name on Facebook? Are you married? I'm not married. Not yet married, but I'm getting married soon. I'm getting married soon. Swagger, she's taken. Swagger. Uh, oh, that's very heartbreaking answer.
Dodo, we don't give out personal information. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na siya. Ayan na, ayan na naman, ayan na naman, ayan na naman. Tuwang-tuwa ka, Dodong. Ha, ha, ha. Oh my goodness. Right. Sumasakit ang ano ko. Abdo ko. Aray. Aray. Siyempre, I like you. Where is home located? Home located? I'm from Philippines, swaggy boy. Ilang taon ka na, Dodong? May asawa, may katrato, may nobya, may jowa, girlfriend, wife, partner on life, live-in partner. Sinabi na lahat. Baka wala na naman yan sa nabanggit. Baka mamaya yan sabihin, single. Don't me. Sorry, chop, chop. Particularly, we're in the Philippines. Particularly, I live in the Philippines. Particularly. Oh my God, English. 25, no girlfriend, still single, waiting for you. Swag, stop asking. Oh my God. I love you. Okay, team. Okay, my team. This is long wait, Dadang. Long wait. Cool down, team. From Swagaboy. Cool down. Calm down. Oh my God. I'm cool. Yes. Cool man. I'm hot. Charot. It's hot here. Wala yata pumapansin sa'yo, Tim. Kaya puro ka papansin. Patay tayo dyan. Patay tayo diha. Go. Waray. Tawang-tawa ka, ha 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 ha. What did he say? He say maybe someone. Oh my God, it's really hard to explain. I'm from Leyte. Okay. Shh. He said, Dodong said, maybe Tim, maybe you are
Maybe you're a lack of attention like that. Something like I think I don't know how to explain in English. Paki-explain mo nga, Dodong. Ang hirap mag-explain, Dong. Can you explain, Dodong, in
Dapat
English?
si Bulbul.
I don't know how to speak English. I can't explain. I don't know how to say. I'm not so fluent in English. I'm bobo sometimes. Most of the time in English. Tell me, you know what he said? Yes, I saw. Said Tim said Dodong said Tim uh, um, wait, no one noticing you. That's why you need to. That's why you ano ba yan? That's why you hirap. Tim, no one noticing you. That's why you need an attention. Yes, he said that. I think. Tim, where are you from? I don't know. I don't know how to speak English too. Oh my goodness. Tim, where are you from? It's Swaggy Boy Tim. He's from America. He's from USA. We don't notice Tim, but he wants all the attention. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Dodong said, oh, Tita Marie. Hey, Dodong, I'm the one marrying Sheryl. Don't make yourself struggle. Thank you, Tita. Thank you. Good evening there. That's what it means. Yes. Thank you, Tita, for explaining. We don't notice him, but he wants all the attention. Yes. Thank you, Tita. My God. You, Tim, how is your level trauma? Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Tita. Huh? I charge a translation. Ang hirap mag great. Great? Oy, sana all. Oy, sana all. That far from that, I don't need the attention you guys need it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ouch. I love you. Mm. I get plenty of attention from Cheryl. That's nice, Tim. Thank you, Tim. Tim. Sitting up for a bonfire, drinking music, and singing. Just a quick visit. Oh, wow. I want like that. Me too. I want like that. Something like that. Relaxing. It's relaxing. Relaxing. Listening music. Yes. Oh my god, I want to experience that. It is cold enough to talk for a vampire now. We sit around the fire at night. Yes, I love it. Martis like that. Think I changed my life forever. And I promise you got me, you'll always be together. Still alive, you could change your life forever. And I promise you got me, you'll always be together. Yeah, it's starting to get chilly here too, making s'mores and hot chocolate for the kids. Oh my god, Tito! I feel jealous. Charot. Do you have any shop or something? Me? No. No shop. But I love shopping. No shop, but I love shopping. The problem is, but the problem is, not enough money for shopping. Bring Gab here. We have sparkles and more small fireworks tonight. Oh my god! I want if ano if near here your place g- we go there. Gab and me we go there now as soon as possible. Oh, so nice. I love it. That I like it so much. Yes, I know you love shopping. Yes, I love shopping. I wish you were here, Shell. The summers are great here. Thank you, Tita. Well, someday I will go there with Gab. Thank you, Tita, for for inviting me and Gab. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you go to other platform for streaming, you can earn much more than YouTube. Then why you choose YouTube? Uh, I'm long here. Maybe I think yes. I choose YouTube. Yes, need to earn money. Maybe Facebook too. Also need to earn money. Um, miss Facebook also. The need it possible there to earn money on Facebook, here on YouTube. Yeah. But I choose YouTube. First, I choose YouTube here. Are you blogger, Swaggy Boy? Are you blogger also? Swaggy Boy. Thank you for the thumbs up. We could change. Facebook is open for all your followers, family, and friends about your personal activities. You will need to create another account. Yes, Tita, I need to do that. Maybe the Facebook page. I need to create Facebook page. When she gets here, I will fly her to you. Thank you, team. Thank you. Maybe I need to continue my Facebook page, Sheryl Ohm. Yes, I need to focus there too. But I need to fix my phone. My phone, the screen is cracked. That's why I need to. I don't have too much videos because my phone is cracked and sometimes hanging, loading, like that. And my phone is full of storage. Good. And not good camera. Need to confirm. Sorry. Okay. Swaggy boy. Bye, Cheryl. I need to get ready for my job. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Swaggy boy. Thank you for joining here. I hope see you again here on my live. Thank you for visiting me here on my channel. Thank you. God bless you. Take care always, Swaggy boy. I will pick you up on my truck and go off-roading. Oh my god. Thank you, Tita. Bye. Bye, Swaggy boy. Bye. Bye-bye. God bless. Take care. Thank you, Tita. Thank you so much. So what we could change. Nice, you always forget what I'm bringing you when I go to you. At night, you always forget. Night, night, you always forget what I'm bringing you when I go to you. What? 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 What do you mean, Tim? You drive, Cheryl. We go on some wet and muddy farmlands. Yes! Thank you, Tita. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. I'm excited now. Thank you, Tita. Thank you. I'm happy. To see alive. A tablet and a phone. A tablet and a phone. You always forget. A tablet and a phone. You only. Me. Me. I'm only. Huh? Me only. I'm only. 15 niya. Thank you, Tim. See you soon. Thank you so much. Cheryl, you never remember what I'm bringing you. No, I'm not forget. I remember. I remember on this day. I'm not forget. I'm not forget. Um, and the chocolate. The chocolate, please. Thank you always for the support and the help. But I'm sad, because you don't want me to win for Mother Queen. It's really sad for me, but it's okay. Fine. Gotta go get some wood. Have a good day, Cheryl. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Tita. Bye bye. Take care, Tita. I need to end the live now. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, team. Thank you, here, Saggy Boy. Dodong, thank you sa pagbisita. Sino pa ang mga Rodrigo, thank you so much. Golden Fiza, thank you always for visiting me here. Sir Daniel C, thank you. I to go bananas, salamat. Jim and Vlog, thank you. Gerard Fleming, thank you so much. Jim and Vlog, thank you. It has no meaning for us. It has no meaning for us? What? What? Bye-bye.